these are some of the food locals designated here at Adifay Wangala, Trinidad. It's once upon a year tradition or culture or celebration yan ng mga tao dito. Batarang Cafe is here. A taste of local Thai food, di ba? Kara food, yeah. Yeah, so nice. It's like the celebration is like for all of the municipalities of Benguet, Cordilleras, ganyan. They come together to showcase their what they have in each of their municipalities. Of course, food is one, always one. Pero regardless of na to, kung nang iyong kung saan ba na i-benta.
Mr. Sherwin Belisco and Mr. Raya.
Paano tayo makakakuha ng pagkain natin? Ano kayo dyan?
May chowking pa. Alam ko naman kung saan tayo kakain. Nakita na ako dun. You want Thai food? May Thai food dun eh. Hindi mo nakita? Ano sa kabila? Yan. Welcome to Adifay 2025.